Right, we're gonna try to do the headlights. You see how faded this one is? This one actually is a new headlight that was installed before I got the car, but this is the old one, original, but we're gonna try to polish it up. We're gonna use a buffing wheel that I got from Hereford. It's a compound cutting and foam pad. We're gonna use the mother's aluminum mat, and then we're gonna treat it all with the 303 protectant and see how well this all works out. Okay, put the mothers on, and then we're just gonna go over it. It looks pretty clean. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of 303 on and then go over the whole thing with it and let it dry, and that should do it. And I think, you know, it's a little yellow still. I could have spent a little more time on it.